Channel. My name is Kiki and today I will be doing a lash unboxing. I haven't did a lash unboxing in a while, but I do love doing unboxings because I get to try different lashes and show you guys the good lashes that you should go buy in Tweezers. So today's video is sponsored by Galash lashes. So this is the box that I received from them. I'm going to show you guys everything that's inside. We're going to try some lash trays out. I will leave everything down below in the description box. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside this box. We have a few things in this box today, guys. Look at this. All right, so I'm gonna do it one at a time. All right, guys, so they gave us a mirror. So you know, when you're done doing your client lashes, they get to look in the mirror at their lashes, make sure they like it. Ooh, I love it, yes. This is beautiful. I love this mirror. They gave us some tape. You know, you need tape to tape down the bottom lash line and do the tape back method on your client's lashes. Oh, this is dope. So this is a VIP Prime card that they gave me, $30 off all orders of $99, and you can like keep using this card. So this is very pretty. Some eye gel pads, some eye pads, their lash glue, which is 0.5 second glue. Yes, we love a fast drying glue because we don't have time to wait 10 seconds for lashes to dry. Like, no, we want to place, hold it for a second, it dry, and keep it moving. They gave us some glue rings, a nice bag too. And these are the glue rings that I like because it has the splits on the side. Can you see that? Yes, see? I like it, I like it. Pink, pink, pink. Oh gosh, guys. We have some more tape, the white tape. Let's see. They gave us a lot of goodies. Okay, Gala lashes. Wait a minute, we got some orange tape. They filled this box up, guys. Orange tape. I don't even know, like a whole bunch of lash trays. I'm trying to save those for last. Hold on. Guys, some more tape, like some bigger tape. So this reminds me, hold on, we got to take this one out. This reminds me of the Next Care tape. You see this? Yes. And let me show you the Next Care tape. You see, it's like the same thing. Oh yes, I'm definitely going to use this because I love the Next Care tape. So this is about to be my new favorite tape to use. So they also gave me, it's like mannequin, instead of like the full mannequin head, it's the eyes. Oh, I like this. Look. I like this. So yes, we're going to have another video. I'm going to do a separate video of showing how to place lashes on the lash, like natural lashes. We're going to practice lashing and doing volume fans. So comment down below and give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see that video. And we're going to use this right here. Oh, I'm excited. I like this. Don't you like getting good treats? Christmas, guys. I love getting like nice lash stuff that I can use. Especially when the quality is A1. Man, listen. So, I have two pair of tweezers. Pretty pink and black. And that's all I be buying is like black tweezers and pink tweezers. Tweezers, guys. These are fiber tip tweezers. I just recently tried some fiber tip tweezers. And I fell in love instantly. I wish I knew about these tweezers a long time ago because I've been doing lashes for 3 years. And I remember at the beginning I used to struggle with my fans. And I would just get like the tweezers that were supposed to be used for volumes. Now I'm here about the fiber tip tweezers. So I tried them, and let me tell you, it makes your volume fanning process so much easier. Your time management will be better. Like, if you do not own a pair of fiber tip tweezers, you need to stop what you're doing, click the link in my bio, and order you some. I promise you, you're gonna be like, yo, where have these tweezers been all my life? It makes the gripping is crazy. Like, no more loose lashes, no more struggling to make volume fans. Like, it just scoops the lashes up, squeeze it. Everything is so much better. Like, the fiber tip tweezers, these are the tweezers that you need to be using. And you can see it. I can't show you on camera, of course, but you can see the fiber inside. These are the tweezers that you want to be using, because you know, like, when you get in tweezers, you want to pay attention to this part. How are the tweezers closing? Is there a gap between it? And in this case, no, it's not. Here's another pair. I don't usually use this type, like the skinny one like this, but we're gonna try it today. Once again, put it together. Is there a gap? No, there isn't. Fiber tip tweezers. I'm going to show you guys. We're going to use these to demonstrate the trays today. Guys, get you some fiber tip tweezers. And Gala Lashes actually has a sale, so you need to click on their link below, because I believe they have their fiber tip tweezers for like $6. Hold on, let's look. Hold on. Fiber tip tweezers for $8.90. You cannot beat that, because some of these tweezers be like $30. So yes, make that purchase. They also have lash trays, and if you are looking to start your own lash tray line, they have that as well, where you can get your personalized lash trays from them, and they put your logo and whatever you want on them. So yes, guys, you need to check them out. Are they fancy? Oh shit, are they fancy? Look at these. Baby, I ain't never seen 28mm lashes. D-curl. What? 28mm D-curl. Wait. I know you lying. Hold on. Look, I'm like a kid on Christmas. Open this up. I'm sorry. I think the most I have in my tray is up to 22mm. Baby, these are 28. What? These are like a lace front. This is like a lace front. Like your 30-inch wig, but instead you get your... Oh, and they're soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're so soft. Look. 28mm. I never in my life... Do you see the curl? Look. Yo, we're about to try these. I can't stop touching because, like, they're so soft. And these are 0.05 D-curl 28mm for all my girls that love the long lashes. That's for you. And then we have their Easy Fans, which is 0.05 D-curl mix. So it's 21, 22, 23, 24 in this one. 0.05 D mix 8 through 15. I'm guessing these are not Easy Fan because it doesn't say Easy Fan. And then this one is Easy Fan 0.05 D mix 8 through 15mm. So all the lashes that they sent me are D curl. So you know D curl is gonna give you that deeper curl versus C. Guys, that's everything in this box. Like, what? Let's try out these tweezers. I need to show you guys. Make sure you're not in my house. I need to show you guys how the fiber tip tweezers work. Okay? Okay. So you already know, first things first, we're going to get our sponge. Let's see, we're going to do... First, we're going to do the Easy Fan 0.05 D mix, all right? Remember, I told you guys this one is 21 through 24. And look, you see the curl? It's like a deeper curl than C. But as you can see, the lashes are very soft, and that's how you want them to be. You don't want no hard, harsh-ass lashes on your eyes. Let's do 21 mm. I'm sorry, I'm putting it on my hand. They didn't send me a tile, but I'm gonna use my hand as the tile. Hold on, I need a brush. So listen, you know you always wanna brush out your lashes before you apply them to your client's lashes. Oh, hold on. I'm using their glue ring and we're gonna use their glue. Let's see if it's 5 seconds like they said. You always want to make sure your top is clean. Sorry guys for the noise in the back. They're lawn grass. I'm trying to get the video done while my baby is sleeping. I can't win, guys. I'm sorry. Also, guys, check out their website because if you need like stuff for your lash bed, they have this nice lash blanket with the lashes and stuff all on it. Very pretty. Go check that out. All right. Now, let's move her here. Fiber tip tweezers. Do you see? They're still attached. There's no fallouts. All attached, right? All you're gonna do is pinch. Okay? There's your fan. You see? There's your fan. Now let's get their other tweezer. More skinnier. Do the same thing. And they did the same thing. You see? Still intact. Didn't fall apart. Pinch. Oh, and these make some nice big fans too. Oh, I like that. The easy fans make a nice big fan, guys. So these are the easy fans. So now we're gonna try the self-fanning tray. And this one is 8 through 15, so I'm gonna get the 15 length. Once again, deep curl, so you see that deep curl? Very deep curl, okay? Same thing. Get you a few lashes. And look, they grip perfect. Because the fiber tip holds your lashes in place. Then just pinch. Oh, these fan out so nice. Let's try this tweezer. The black tweezers. I like that. All right, time for the ones I've been waiting for. Let's try out these 28 mm lashes. Do you see how long these are? I cannot believe it. But I'm getting a lot of loose. See? Can't get them to come right. So I would use these for spikes. See, they're not doing what I need them to do. So yeah, I would use the 28, them long length 28 mm. I would use those for spikes. But you see how these came out with the easy fans and the self fanning trays came out very nice, you see? So I would recommend using those. This came out very nice. Very, very nice. And yes, the glue was fast drying, as you can see. You see, I love self-fanning lash trays so much. That's all I use. And these are beautiful. Especially with these fiber tips. Come right off. It will definitely make you, help you if you're struggling with making volume fans. Get you some fiber tip tweezers. You won't have that issue no more. Your lashing time, if it's taking you 4 hours to do lashes because you're struggling with your fans, you get these fiber tip tweezers, I promise you won't have that issue no more. You won't be lashing for 4 hours, getting frustrated and aggravated because your fans are not coming the way you want them to come. So I'm telling you guys, they have them on their site for $8 and change. Go buy it. It's a good investment. Like, you will not be disappointed. Alright, so I was sitting here playing with the lash trays, and I must say, I love it. You see the fluff. I love a dark black matte lash finishing touches. I love a dark finish. You see, guys, I love it. Dark finish. I definitely recommend that you guys try these fiber tip tweezers. They will save your life. Thank you to Gala Lashes for extending me these items. I love it. I cannot wait to use this tape. And like I said before, a video will be coming real soon of us demonstrating how we use the mannequin face. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you already know, be safe.